Hey ghouls and goblins, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and welcome to the next episode of the Hidden Gems series. If you missed out on all the other episodes that I've done so far, make sure you go back and take a look at those so you can go ahead and get some inspiration of some things that you might want to do for your Halloween crafting. So for this video, is going to be featuring the Pink Spells collection by Decorate Your Life. And if you missed that unboxing video, I'll have that linked for you as well. Super cute collection. I actually do have another video with this collection as well, but I'm gonna do that in another video because it'll be another Hidden Gems episode. So I'm really excited for y'all to see this. I don't know, I was going crazy and chaotic, but stay tuned. Alright, so this one is, y'all remember for my Britmas series, this was last year, I made like a little gingerbread house. So that is this, but in a Halloween version. So I was inspired by a die. I can't remember who made the die. I want to say it was the Lena Cuddle. I thought the die was super cute, and so I did a handmade version. And then like I said, it was for a Christmas collection, or for my Christmas series, so I wanted to go ahead and revamp it and do Halloween, and I thought the Pink Spells would be super cute to do with this. So it's very like it is just very happy. It's nothing creepy or anything at all. Like the pinks and the purples really have brought it out into a whole nother thing. So on the side here, I added some ruffle trim. Here is one of the little cutter part pieces, like ephemera pieces. Here I added some little spider gems there. Here is one of the pieces from the collection, so super cute. And then here on the other side, I just have a different pumpkin that I have fussy cut out, and then the little spiders on the spider web. And then here in the front, I did some little like the little picks from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they have them again this year, but I got them last year, and added some beads and tassels, added some of the Scrap Diva Designs little banner flags here, added the cute little skulls and bats on either side, and then I added some of the foam balls and attached them on there. I also, and that's how I stuck the little toothpicks in there, and then added some of the Buttons Galore new buttons from their BGM box for this month. This is the little gnome from the collection. I had fussy cut that out, and also added some nouveau drops to the bat here just to give it some more life. And then I did one of the word pieces here, and it says treats. But yeah, and then here on the rooftop we have the banner that was also one of the pages of the collection, and I have fussy cut that out and cut it in half, and added it here on one side with the bats, and then here added the other piece on the other side with the ghost. And then all you do is just lift up the lid. Sometimes it gets a little stuck, and then it opens up. I ripped it a little bit. Whoopsie. Oh, I have stuff in here too. Let's see. What do I have? What do I have? Something fell off. So, oh no. This is what happens when you use stickers and you had them for so long. They're not as sticky anymore. You know, they do kind of expire. I know it sounds funny. Stickers expire, but yeah, they do. And so this is also the Scrap Diva Designs little lipstick box die, and so I used the collection and cut some out and added some beads in there. And then this is like the little handle piece that comes with it, and so I had added this one again, have fussy cut out some of the images from the collection and added it on there. And the same thing here with the little cute cloud, and this says boo. But I forgot I actually had those in there. Ha ha ha. But there is some slight variations I did. I didn't do any variations with the actual design of it. This is still the same design, but when I looked it over and I looked in the description of my measurements and stuff, I was like, whew, what was I drinking? Because that ain't right. So when you of course the link to the original tutorial will be down below in the description box. When you go to that link, the updated measurements will already be there in accordingly. So yeah, I don't know what I was drinking, but I was like, that needs to be flipped around. I don't know why I did that. And so but yeah, I think it turned out super cute. I can't wait to show you guys the other project that I did using this collection. It'll be for the next Hidden Gem series episode. So don't forget to like this video. Make sure you subscribe to your girl so you don't miss out on my future uploads. And I'll check you out in the next one. Bye.